This video is the second part of a big project. You can go and check out the first part before this one, because if you watch this one before, you will be spoiled, or you can just watch this one and the project if you're 1 week after that, because the final result will be for the next week. I'm sorry, it was too big to fit on that video. It's a commercial video for this spaceship, so it will be a nice car commercial for only a spaceship, so you can buy it in your local shop. This is the inside the cockpit. It's like the best part because it's the only one that was designed on the inside, because all the cargo space right next to that was not used, because let's suppose that it's just fuel and you don't need to look at the fuel because it's explosive, so we don't check the fuel. I made a little science fiction seat that I took inspiration from Pinterest and Google, because none of those seats exist in real life. It's a mix between my imagination, a gaming seat, and some car seat, I think, or some plain one, I don't remember. I used a pentagon to make the head, and then I used some different shape to fill all the blanks, so all of those don't exist in any other designs, but some of the chairs you will find online will look quite similar. So I'm sorry, I'm not completely creative and I'm just stealing some things on the internet. And the colors, I just made my own palette with just orange, white and black. That fits really nicely in that. For the screens, I made some blue and black lines because I was messing up with all of the shading options that you've got. And this ship will be controlled with 3 main screens, and then all the other stuff that you have usually in a plane, because I thought just 3 screens makes things a little bit empty. So let's add a chest. Yes, why not? If you have some food or some things to stock with you in the voyage, in the move, you need to have a chest for that, and this chest is futuristic, so you have some screens on it. Yes, it's completely nice, and I made some opening things. So this is a screen, and the top thing will be a screen too. We'll have some lights on it to make it just glowing in the dark, and I made my own colors using shading options, because I think using just textures that are pre-made is too easy, so I want to make my own. This is a joystick type, like an airplane controller. I tried to make my own. The design is not perfect, but at least it works for our spaceship, and this looks kind of comfortable to play with. You have 3 buttons, 2 buttons and 1 joystick to make what I don't know, but at least they're in the ship, so they should have an option, a useful utility. And then you need the throttle lever, so you need to just use that as a throttle, because if you don't have anything to control your speed, you will just go on the wall. This one is a little bit less detailed and beautiful, but it's nice. It's nice anyway. It fits really well the inside design and the inside vibe that is a spaceship vibe. I just want to remind you, because it's not a plane, it's a spaceship. In all the space shuttles and things that exist in real life, there's no such as things, or there are more than just 2 or 3 of them. There's like thousands of buttons, and this is completely animated in the next video because I wanted to make that a commercial, so I just used some camera movements and everything. It's my best animation yet on my channel. That will be on my channel because it's in 1 week, and that's the most important part of this video, is the turret, because I think this part is the one that gives the vibe into that project, because a spaceship fighter is not a fighter without some weapons, so that is my weapon. It's inspired by the game Space Engineer. It's an add-on called it's like automatons or something like that. It's one of the most popular add-on if you look in the shop from Steam Engine, and I think I completely stole the idea. The cannons are not the same, but the middle part of the turret, it's not my design, because I'm not good at turret designs and I just took the inspiration, so it's not completely the same, but still. Anyway, you can download the game and install the add-on if you want to help them. To help me, you just subscribe, leave a like, or just watch the video. It's perfect. Thank you for everything, and go check out my next video. Have a nice day.